Kibagendi, member for Kitutu Churches South.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, for this opportunity. I rise to first appreciate the member for Ruiru for coming up with these amendments. And really, if there are regulations that are in line with what is proposing, then it means they need to be enhanced. At the same time, while we appreciate the role that the industry has played in the economy, and isn't the transport sector, the transportation of people and goods, especially in the rural areas, we also need to appreciate that it is the same sector or industry that has brought about a lot of accidents. And when these particular operators cause accidents, they run from the accident scene. And other than that, when you're on the wrong, these people have a gang mentality. They gang and come harass, especially women motorists, and harass people, and in the process actually cause violence and even steal from motorists. So we need to have this industry regulated, and we need to have more enhanced regulations, so that we can have some what I can call sanity in the industry. We have people who are in the same industry, those who are doing courier business. You find that they are extremely disciplined, they are organized, they don't skip the lights, they are not involved in any form of mischief. And hence, I think I am in support of this particular amendment, and I know these particular amendments will aid other segments of the economy, or it will have a ripple effect, especially in the insurance. We'll have more money in the pool. Even NHIF will be able to get something out of that pool. And even KRA will be able to get some revenue from a regularized industry of the bodaboda. I submit, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member. The Honorable Adan Haji, member for Mandera West, is out of the